we're going to look at the sight reading cards, number 1 and 2. At the beginning of the sight reading exercises, it gives you some instructions to follow. Make sure that you read these and follow them, what they say. So for each exercise, you're going to want to read the question at the beginning and see if you can answer the question. And then you're also going to want to write in your starting notes. Look through and mark any intervals that you need to mark. Probably skips would be a good thing to mark at this point. So let's write our starting note for this one. Remember, we're going to use our guide notes to figure out the names of the line and space notes. So in a treble clef, the bottom or the first space is F, so we can think F-A, and you know that the name of this one here is A. And the guide note for lines in the bass clef, the first line is G, so we think G, B, D, F, A. So they're both starting on A. Now I'm going to look through this exercise and see if there's any skips that I need to know. So we've got A, down, down, up. There's a skip, so I'm going to mark that one just so I don't miss it. Then I skip up. I'm going to mark that one. Then I go down, down, up. Oop, there's a skip. And then I have a same, up, 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 up. Down, down, down. Oh, there's a skip up. Watch out for that one. Down, down, down. Now I also want to look, you can go ahead and do the same thing in the left hand, marking the skips as you go through. I also want to look at the rhythm. So I'm going to say the rhythm first to kind of get in my head. Ta, 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 ti, ta. Ta, 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 ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. Ta-ti, 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 ta-two. Now when you play it, you want to try to play it in rhythm. So I'm going to play it here, and you can then see if you can play along. So I'm going to set up 5 on A, and left hand thumb is on A. You can try playing it hands separate first, to get used to the right hand and the left hand, or you can just go ahead and play hands together from the beginning, whichever you think you're able to do. So here we go. I'm going to start with 5s. Ready? Or excuse me, I'm going to start with A's. Here we go. A, down, down, up, skip, skip, down, down, up, skip, same, up, 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 down, 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 skip, down, 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 hold it. I want you to imagine that there's a repeat sign. Always go back and play it twice and sometimes even 3 times. Now let's look at the rhythm lines. Can you come a little bit closer? The rhythm lines on these exercises now are going to be a challenge because it has 2 rhythm patterns going on at the same time, a right hand pattern and a left hand pattern. Now they're always going to make it so that one of the rhythms is a simple rhythm, like for example this one is just whole notes, and then one of the rhythms is more of a challenging rhythmic pattern. So what they want you to do is go ahead and write in the metric counting for the challenging one. You don't have to write in the metric counting for the simple pattern. And then you want to try to use both hands to do both of the rhythms at the same time. So my assistant is going to hold the video for me. Hold it like this so that we can see both of my hands. Okay, and we're going to tap both of these rhythms at the same time. Okay, ready? So we're going to tap, the left hand does the whole notes, the right hand does the rhythmic pattern. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got to get both hands working together, kind of like when you pat your tummy or pat your head and rub your tummy at the same time, right? 2 things going at the same time. You'll notice that the two exercises that they use as examples are the same as the exercises in Rhythm Card 1 and Rhythm Card 2. So if you're not sure how to write the metric counting, you can look over here as your guide. And then when we turn the page, we will start doing more patterns that you can figure out on your own. For now, just work on number 1 and number 2. Good luck!